Pack rat in here. So I'm in Virginia. I used to live here. I miss it so much. So much so that I'm gonna go hug a tree. Ah! I love trees. Didn't feel a thing.
Take me to the ruins, aquifers and springs, baby ferns uncurling.
for some reason, whenever I'm filming, Bojangles just appears within reach. And you know, I can't help it. I'm Irish, I love potatoes, so I'm gonna go get me some tater tots. So. Ew, why did I do that? Ugh.
One hour later.
I'm so happy. What? What do you want? You want my potatoes? Uh-uh. It's Easter Sunday. Thank goodness we have a load. It would suck if we do. Ah, this is so beautiful. Yeah, that's heaven. All right, give me a second chance. I gotta get out first. Are you ready? Come on. Hello. Hello. Here's my wish, all right? I wish to make a ton of money and be in like freaking Econos. Is that what you call it? Greece. by next year. It actually worked! Look at it go! Hell yeah! He's not my dog, by the way. Ready to rumble. Don't go yet. Okay, cool. So we're waiting on the shipment to be made, like the actual product. So I'm making dinner, and while I do that, I'm gonna do some push-ups because I'm bored and I don't know what else to do except edit videos, and I don't want to be in the truck right now. I'm tired already. It smells so good in here. Take a U-turn up here, and then go back the way I came. Everybody's coming. too far. That's okay. I can just pull up. What are we doing? We doing good? You watch me, Chance? Alright, I look good on both sides. Smooth bump. It's gonna be fun.
One eternity later.
I accidentally burnt it. But that's okay, it's flavor.